From KETK, you're watching East Texas Live.
Welcome back. Flu season is here, and today we're joined by Dr. Chaudhry, a family medicine physician with UT Health East Texas Physicians, to talk about how we can stay healthy this fall. Thanks so much for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, so you know it's the topic everybody wants to talk about. Flu shots.
Yeah.
It's flu season, so kind of tell us a little bit about that right now.
Yeah, so it's flu season, like you said. Unfortunately, the flu virus changes every year. So if you did get the shot last year, you have to get it again this year. It's a great way to protect yourself. It helps protect you, your family, especially if you have younger kids, older adults, or anyone with chronic conditions.
Okay, and so I know because it changes every year, so how often should you be getting a flu shot?
So once a year, and it takes about 2 weeks for your body to build immunity or protection for the flu. And so getting it early will make sure that you're protected for the whole year, but it's never too late to get it.
Okay, and so what are those benefits that come from getting the shot?
Yeah, so one, it can prevent you from getting the flu, but even if you did get the flu, it can help decrease the severity of the illness. It can also stop you from going to the hospital, decreases the rate of that, and also more serious complications like pneumonia.
Okay, and so when is the best time to actually get vaccinated in that year?
Now is the best time. So getting it right now would be perfect, and like I said, it takes about 2 weeks for your body to build immunity.
Okay, and so how can people get their flu shots scheduled with UT Health?
So if you're already an existing patient, you can go through the MyChart app and schedule it through there. If not, you can give us a call and we can get it set up.
Okay, and what are some other ways people can protect themselves?
That's a good question. So honestly, the everyday simple habits like washing your hands frequently, as well as covering your mouth and nose whenever you cough or sneeze, they really help stop the spread of germs and are super beneficial.
Yes, and so right now, what is the season kind of looking like here in East Texas?
It's starting to ramp up. I'm starting to see some patients come in with flu-like illness. Not everybody is getting the flu, but a lot of similar viruses going around.
Yes, and what are some of those symptoms that we really need to watch out for?
So fever, cough, sore throat, fatigue, those are going to be the big ones.
Okay, and if we do come down with the flu and we've been diagnosed with it, you know, what should we do to kind of help with that?
So staying hydrated is super important. Obviously, you want to try to decrease the spread of the virus as well. So like I said, wash your hands, cover your mouth. And then you can use some Tylenol or some over-the-counter pain medications to help reduce the fever.
Okay,
Yeah.
and so, you know, what if I'm taking over-the-counter medication and it's just not getting better?
Yeah, then come in and see us, go to your doctor, and then we can get you some medicine to help you feel better.
Okay, now is there ever a case when you should probably get 2 flu shots in the year?
No, one is more than enough.
Okay, awesome. Because I know sometimes you never know. People everything changes all the time.
Yeah,
and so you never know. And so we just want to kind of get the right information out there.
No, they do a pretty good job of making sure you just need 1 shot for that year.
That's great. Do we kind of know yet what strain of flu that's kind of going around this year?
So I don't know personally what the strain is of the flu right now, but it changes every year, and honestly trying to keep up with it is pretty difficult.
It really is.
Yeah.
At one time I worked for a pharmacy and it never knew. It was crazy all the time. Well, anything else that we really need to know that's really important about flu shots?
Yeah, just making sure that you get it every year, because it does change every year, like I said, and it really helps protect you and your community.
All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
All right. And for more information, go to that website right there on your screen.